Hello and good afternoon, everybody. This is Travis here at Canyon Auto Classics. I have a 1969 Chevrolet El Camino to share with you. It has a 396 cubic inch engine in it. It is a newer restoration. It has a completely brand new interior. The 396 was completely rebuilt. It has a turbo 400 automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, 12-bolt rear end, brand new fuel tank, new exhaust. You can see it's got the rally style wheels with a set of Hankook tires on it that look great. Going down this car, you can see the paint is been done very nice. I wanted to do this video for you guys with the gimbal, but I am out of storage space. I need to fix that first. So we're doing this with our other camera, so I apologize for that. You can see the door panels here look excellent. Going down the edge of the door here. You can see how nice the interior is. Brand new interior. The dash looks great. I don't think I see anything. I'm not sure if this is a brand new dash or it's just that nice, but it looks new. You can see you've got new carpet down there. New leather seats. So I'll let the door open on this side. And the odometer says 17,000 miles. I don't know that those are original, obviously. The paint on this though really is done really well. Took me a minute to get the hood up before, so forgive me. Set this down. Apologize, everybody. I've learned with classic cars, getting hoods up is always an adventure, but I just don't know how to do it very well on some of them. So you can see you've got some chrome valve covers in here. You've got an Edelbrock air cleaner. Highly detailed engine bay. Everything here looks very nice. Maybe the original set of exhaust manifolds on that. And we'll get pictures posted of underneath as well. I can start this puppy up for you. It does have some speakers in here, but there is not a radio, so that gives you the benefit of being able to choose what you want. You can tell this started up after sitting here overnight with no difficulty. Starts and runs great, drives great. I will be getting this posted here shortly, and we'll have a listing price on it for you. And thank you for watching. CanyonAuto.com, 563-452-2450. Check this car out or any of our other cars and come back, as we're going to be bringing you more. Thank you very much. Bye.